Sachin is saying if there is a reversal from HVN, which time frame is active there? I mean, is it by shorter time frame? No, shorter time frame will fuel the move, because I'll tell you a good question actually. Where is that? This is the HVN. Okay, so let's take example of Nifty, and this is uh, let's say we come here and we reverse sharply. So first and foremost, an immediate reversal is even if it happens, it won't be like, it won't go here directly. It might cross this day, 50% of this day, or maybe the high of the day, and it will probably consolidate for a while. Make sense? It won't immediately like give you a final reversal. What are the time frames that will be involved? Obviously, now as the market is going lower, people are selling. Now we were tracking this HVN. Now this HVN, let's say someone missed this opportunity. Now it comes to this HVN. Now what they are thinking, if it breaks below this, it will go to this. They start selling here. HVN by definition is a support, right? If you are coming from above. Now, if you are coming here and this is a support and people are still selling, those are laggard sellers, those are retail sellers. Smart money is not selling here. Or if they are selling, then definitely market is not stopping here. Make sense? Unless they are sure of that, they won't sell. They will observe how the market deals here. How will they observe? They'll stop trading in the quantities they trade. They won't trade. They will just let the market do what it wants to do. Suddenly what happens is you get high volume, and suddenly a low volume sideways consolidation. People don't understand why it is happening. It's because smart money has stopped trading. They are observing how the market reacts there. And then let's say some laggard sellers have sold right into this HVN, and now the market has stopped going lower. What do you think those traders are going to do? They will run for cover, and then smart money will go into their order books and see where are all the stop losses. They will probably run all of those, and by the time all the stop losses are taken out, retails have already changed their mindset from short to long. They are now thinking that this HVN is holding, this support is holding, and what happens? We fall sharply. What happened here? See, I mean, it plays out so beautifully. Sometimes we miss it. Okay, this is the HVN. What happens here? Market comes here, immediately support is taken, market goes higher. How is it going higher? Is it taking out important references? There is this gap. What happens? We don't take it out. We are just hitting all the stop losses here in this day, you know. And once all the stop losses are taken out, what happens? The market falls. It continues to play out. Every time you will see, it will play out the same way, and then the market will show its real color. So just monitor that, and you will get opportunities.